What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're just out on the Aventon SINCH. I'm wearing my riding Crocs and my Christmas lounging socks. I'm out on the Aventon SINCH. This is my e-bike from like years ago. This is where it all began. My love for e-bikes with the Aventon SINCH. And now we've got the BBSHD 1000-watt mid-drive on it. I put this on there the other day. So I've got the BBSHD hooked up to this 500C display right here. I've got something else to show you. Something new. Little Babby SamSung. Look at this. Look at this here. It's Little Babby SamSung. So this is a 52 volt, 8 amp hour Little Babby SamSung with 40 T3 cells. It's a nice small battery. Like fit it in my pocket easily, or like a backpack or something. Whoa, yeah. Okay. Now we're going. Now we got the BBSHD going. So I've never had the BBSHD on a good battery, like ever. It's always been on like a unit pack power battery. So let's see how this feels. It's only 8 amp hours, so it's just a little guy, but the Samsung 40 T3 cells are pretty good. So it's a lightweight 52 volt 8 amp hour battery. Eight amp hours is kind of like just enough to get me to Chipotle, or to like get me into town to run an errand and then get back home. So that was kind of the objective with this battery, is just a really lightweight battery for just quick runs into town. I'm also probably going to carry it around just as like a rescue battery. Like if you run out of battery, I could hook that battery up, and 8 amp hours is, you know, typically enough to get me home, as long as I'm within like maybe like 15-20 miles and I take it easy on the way back home. But anyway, so we're on the SINCH. We've got this Samsung 40 T3 52 volt 8 amp hour battery going. We're on the SINCH trying it out with the BBSHD. BBSHD feels a lot better for this battery, that's for sure. And so I wanted to get out on this bike again, because it was making a lot of noise the last time I rode it. And I went for a whole ride where it was just making like this annoying noise, and I gotta figure out what it is. So I'm just kind of riding around. And I can't hear that great because I have all this stuff over my ears because it's cold out. It's like 50 degrees. Oh. I suppose I should probably hook up a watt meter to that battery so I can see how much I'm using. We've got slow vans in front of us. I can't hear the noise as much now. I tightened up all the bolts on the fenders. I think could have been part of it. I don't hear noise, but there's just so much wind in my ear that I don't know. I'm gonna have to do this video and then go back and listen to it. Oh. Man, it's feeling a lot better with this battery, that's for sure. Oh. So we're just cruising on a teeny tiny battery, 52 volt, 8 amp hour. What is that noise? The problem is like I have this jacket and a hood up over my ears, and like I can't even hear what's going on with all the wind. Getting kind of dark out. I'm sure the GoPro can't see anything. I can still hear some kind of a noise coming from the front. I don't know. Should we see if we can climb up this big old steep incline over here? Let's see if the Cinch can do it with the BBSHD. Coming up right over here. Let's see if it's feasible. We're gonna have to get her into a low gear and then hang on for dear life. Oh my god! I got air when I went over the top of it. Oh man. Oh, let's go through the sand. This is the hub motor. This is the Cinch 500 watt hub motor. Here's BBSHD. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. Well, that was fun. Absolutely crazy. Oh. Well, that was fun. How far have I gone here? 4 miles. So I think I'm working out the kinks with the BBSHD on the Cinch. Trying to get the noises sorted out so that I can do a video that isn't annoying. Alright, well that was a fun little ride on the Cinch. Listening for noises. There've been a lot of ominous clouds in the sky today, but it hasn't really rained yet. there's still a bit of a discombobulation back there with the drive crane. I haven't fixed that yet. Oh. Well, that was fun. Let's get this baby cooking. Let's get it going. Oh. Here we go. We're homeward bound. You guys remember that video? With that wholesome golden retriever. Alright, good ride, dudes.